What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys an easy way to repair a screen door lock that simply doesn't lock. So we can see here the door is in the closed position, turn it over to lock and the door simply opens up. The locking function isn't working and today I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to fix. Let's do this. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is test out this lock here to make sure that it's actually functioning as it should. So we'll open up the door. This is the easiest way to check it. You'll notice there's a latch down the bottom and a small one up the top. Now what happens is if we come over to the strike plate, that little small one up on top comes up to about this point here, pushes it in, and then our latch will pop out and it's supposed to go inside this strike plate here. What happens a lot of the time is you might find there's some debris or something like that blocking the way, which I'll show you guys in a second how to check it. So if we have a look here, we want to press that top one and you can see there the latch comes all the way out. At that point you can then turn over your locking mechanism and we can see that everything's functioning as it should. It's now locking. Once again, press our little latch. That comes all the way out. Now we can put it in the locking position. So what you want to do is make sure that this is functioning as it is now. So we know this one here is working. That means the issue is actually from the strike plate itself. So if we press on this top section here and then we restrict it, so we only let it come out halfway, which is what's happening in this case. Turn that latch over, so halfway, you can see that it's in the lock position. I'll reset it. So let it come out, push it back halfway, so now it's restricted. Turn that latch over into the lock position and you can see that it doesn't lock. So what's happening is this section here is actually restricted. Easiest way to check it is to have a quick look inside, make sure there's no debris, no timber or anything blocking the way. Second thing you can do is just take anything, even a pencil, just to measure up roughly and see how deep this little section here is. So I'm just going to push in the chisel as far as I can on the inside of our strike plate, mark it up with my finger, and that is the depth that we've got here on our strike plate. So if I transfer that over onto our latch, we can see there that it's only going in about halfway. So that's what's actually causing the problem. What we're going to do now is simply clean this section here out using the chisel and a hammer, and once this is all cleared out, our latch will have enough room to go all the way inside this strike plate, and that should fix our problem. So you can remove the strike plate and clean it all up, or you can leave it on using a small chisel. We'll just clean out all this extra timber, and you can see there how I'm removing that extra timber. Make sure the top and bottom are completely clear, and then we'll go in a bit deeper. Clean out that excess material and just repeat the process until you've got it down deep enough. So we've got this all nice and clean now. There's nothing obstructing the way. Test out the door. And there we have it, guys. That is how to fix a door that is not locking properly, specific to this little mechanism right here on our screen door lock. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.